Greetings everyone, this is Danny from harrtravel.com, your luxury all-inclusive specialist, and today I'm at the beautiful Blanc Los Cabos Spa Resort, and it is an incredible resort, but I have something even more amazing for you right behind me. This is the Residence at over 18,000 square feet. It's the perfect space for eight people. You can even go up to 12, but what's so unique about it is it has a ton of private space, perfect for a wedding, a group, and even if you have friends staying in the rest of the resort, you can host parties here. But let me show you what it's all about because you will not believe it until you see it. So once you walk through the gate into your palatial estate, you can't help but be blown away. I mean, I'm looking directly out at the ocean, the infinity edge pool, but let me take you in the front door. What I love about this is every detail has been refined. Right here, you've got this beautiful water feature. And as you continue on in, it's actually one of the biggest doors that I've ever seen as a resort. You know that as soon as you walk in this, you're gonna encounter something pretty darn special. The first thing that you feel when you walk in here is just the immense amount of space. There's over 10-foot ceilings in the main part, and as we continue on in, you get nearly 30-foot ceilings with 2 levels of windows looking out at the ocean. It truly is a showstopper. Over here, you've got your full living room, the 2 large couches, the 1 smaller couch, of course, the flat panel TV. But just for reference, as you look up to the loft, you can really just feel that there's nothing quite like this. So just off the living room area, you're gonna have your full dining. So you can see that right here, you can have a full dining room set up for 12 people, which is the maximum that can occupy this particular residence. And you have your full kitchen. Now, one of the great features of this, in addition to having the concierge and the butler service, 24-hour room service as well, you're gonna be able to have your own chef-cooked meal in your home as one of the included features. They also have everything that you would expect in the resort. Maybe you just want to grab a quick cup of coffee in the morning. You've got your Lavazza coffee maker here, and they're going to stock the minibar and the whole fridge actually exactly as you would like. As you would expect with a beautiful beachfront home like this, you can dine inside or you can open up the doors and you can dine right out on your patio looking out at the Pacific Ocean. As you would expect with any world-class luxury residence, they do have a full theater. They've got a huge flat panel TV, 7.1 surround sound, and they've even gone to the extent of making it sound controlled. You see the padding on the roof and on the walls, and these really, really comfortable theater loungers also have a recline feature. You notice the little tables because, of course, you can have room service right here. Heading down the hall from the theater, if you are somebody who wants to be a little more active on vacation, stay in shape, they actually include a private yoga instructor with this room. They also have a full gym. So you can see the elliptical that they have over here, the treadmill, the pulley machine. Of course, they have a full gym in the main room as well. And I did want to point out that there's a ton of storage over here, but what they do is they have medicine balls and different kinds of gym equipment that you may want to take advantage of while you're staying. So in the other wing of the ground floor, you're going to have the first master bedroom space. Before we head in there, I just wanted to take you in. You've got this great office feature. So once again, if you have a group staying on the resort or elsewhere, or if you're an executive and you need to work like I generally do while I'm traveling, this is a perfect space for it. You've got the desk, the chairs, and then the couch over to the side. So as we continue through the foyer, we end up in the first ground level master suite, and how spectacular this is. I can't even explain it. You've got the bed looking out at a beautiful ocean view looking right over your infinity edge pool, and in fact they even designed this desk right here. It's a great little writing desk to look directly out at the ocean as well. If you're going to have views like that, you want to take advantage of them. As we continue on in, you'll notice that you have all of the features that you have in the main part of Blanc as well. The full king-size bed, the extra padded mattress. I slept like a baby last night. Really, really nice linens. And they've even gone to the efforts of putting in a memory foam mat by each side of the bed. Just those little touches make all the difference. As we continue into the space, you have your flat panel TV, and they've actually made it so that you can position it looking at the bed, and then of course put it away to take advantage of those views. But I can completely imagine myself sitting right here, having a cup of coffee in the morning, and one phenomenal feature is that this is truly an indoor-outdoor space. The doors are going to open up completely just in front of you, and then you have another set of doors right here that will open up and take you right on out to your own personal swim up pool. Now this isn't just like any other swim up pool in the world. Right here you can just walk right in. But what is so amazing is as you swim around, you actually end up with your own private infinity edge view. So now we're heading into the master bathroom that delivers as the world-class master bath that you would expect. You've got the two huge double vanities here, of course the upgraded Bulgari bath amenities that you're going to get throughout your entire stay. And then as you continue on in, you have this unbelievable shower. I think I could actually play a game of basketball in here, but you've got two huge rainforest shower heads up above, the two shower wands, fully adjustable, of course, little things like a poof there for you. But as I wanted to point out one more thing, these two incredible outdoor shower options as well. So you've got this indoor-outdoor feeling, and as we continue along, you also have a huge master closet. You got your golf umbrella, iron, full laptop safe, and then tons of space to put things away. And of course, as always, a signature of LeBlanc, you're gonna have your robe and your slippers. Now on the ocean-facing side of the master bathroom, you have this beautiful pedestal tub. Now earlier I had mentioned that you're gonna have your own butler, and one of the things that they can do is you can choose from an aromatherapy menu and a bath salts menu, and they're happy to draw a bath for you. But what makes this space even more special is the unique ability to open up this door right here and step right out to your swim up, or just have a nice soak in the tub looking out at this incredible view of the Pacific Ocean. So just at the top of the marble staircase, you have this beautiful light feature and also another one just above the billiards table. All the equipment is just over there. This is truly a loft entertaining space. So you're gonna have two couches right there, your flat panel TV, but as we head over to the edge, you can once again get that incredible feeling of the space itself. These 30-foot high ceilings right here looking down at the living room, and then once again, everywhere in this residence, the beautiful views out to the beach. One of the really interesting features of this residence is that you have 4 ocean-facing master suites. Now this is one of 2 that has 2 double beds in there. So you can see it's a little bit of different configuration, so it's great depending on who exactly is traveling with you and who you're taking advantage of the space with. Once again, you've got the 2 beautiful chairs looking out at the incredible ocean views. Now one really interesting feature of this particular room is the ability to open it all up. So you open up the curtains there, all of it tucks away there, and then once again, an incredible indoor-outdoor living space. So as we continue back into the space, you can see there's a nice writing desk here, once again, that ocean view. One of the things that I love about having a ultra-modern house built like this is that you're gonna have the most updated technology. So you have USB plugs, US plugs, and also in every room, an HDMI plug so you can mirror whatever you want onto the TV itself. There's a separate safe because this is actually set up as 4 separate master suites. And one other feature that I love about that is that you have an independent climate control for each and every one, which makes a lot of sense because everybody sleeps at a different temperature. Now into the bathroom. Once again, you have that beautiful pedestal soaking tub, have that drawn by your butler if you like, the same robes as you would expect. And then in here you have the huge rainforest shower head once again, the shower wand, and then the upgraded Bulgari bath amenities throughout the entire house. Just over there is the toilet, single vanity here, but once again, a beautiful marble bathroom that is perfect for this suite. So on the same side of the loft, you actually have the second double master. As we walk in, you can see the entire wall here is all storage. And then as we continue on in, you're gonna get to the bathroom space first. Once again, very similar to the last one, you've got the pedestal soaking tub, all of the bath amenities, the shower with the huge rainforest shower head, and once again, a perfect option. Now what's different about this is that you have this soaking tub that once again now you can look out and have that beautiful ocean view. As we continue on in, you can see it's a very similar 2 double bed setup as you had in the other master. This one does have an extra large couch. You still have the writing desk, but once again, this is what it's all about, is sitting here and looking out at the ocean view. Now, in addition to the forward-facing view, this one also has a separate balcony over here on the side that you can open up. So you actually have 2 different views. You're gonna see the sunrise from right here, and you better believe it's incredible. Now, on the other wing of the second floor, you're gonna have the second oceanfront king master. But before we head on in there, I wanted to show you what they did with this space up here. Down below, you've got the office, but up here you have your private spa area. In fact, included in this residence, you're gonna get a couple spa treatments. You can have them right here. And what's great is that once you're done, you just head right on into the master bathroom. So now we're heading into the 2nd story master. It's once again set up with the huge king size bed facing out at the ocean. You've got the writing desk here, once again, looking at the ocean. And as we continue on in, It's a very similar space to the one down below. Now the big differentiator here is you do have the ocean front view that you can open up the windows, but you can also open up the windows here, and instead of going into the swimming pool like you are down below, you're actually heading out to your private terrace. It's actually quite a big size. Once again, you can have some private dining here. I think it's a great feature, especially if you have 4 couples traveling together, to each have your own individual private spaces. You've got the great day bed, the dining room table, as I mentioned. But once again, what this is all about is as I'm sitting out here, I can just hear the ocean waves. It's spectacular. I can't even explain how incredible it is to be right on the ocean front. Now heading into the second story master bath, I did want to point out that they've got a door here. I love that they just have all those extra levels of privacy for the entire space. You've got the beautiful pedestal soaking tub with, once again, an unbelievable view out to the Pacific Ocean. And as we continue along, you've got the massive double vanity, and once again, one of the biggest showers that I have ever seen in a resort. 2 huge rainforest shower heads, and once again, the even more unique feature is the incredible outdoor private shower space. And for this particular one, it's great because you can walk right around to the front there and sit on your balcony, put your robe on, and just have an incredible, relaxing start to your day. Now, heading into the master closet, you'll see the biggest differentiator with the master suite downstairs. So of course, you have all the closet space, toilets just in here, you've got your safe. But one interesting feature is this opens up right into that spa room. Now keep in mind, in addition to the spa treatments you can have here for the ultimate privacy, they also have a huge hydrotherapy complex and a world-class spa that you can take advantage of in the main resort building. Now the inside of this massive residence is spectacular, as you've already seen. But what makes this space even more incredible is, of course, its positioning right on the beach. You've got these great doors that are going to open up, just like on the master, also just like in front of the kitchen, and now you truly have this incredible indoor-outdoor space. Now it's multifunction. In fact, they do weddings right here. You can imagine the perfect venue, having an arch there at the end, walking down through the palm trees, but you can use this for all kinds of different events. Maybe you just want a couple couples to get away and chill and relax. You can imagine this outdoor space is perfect for any different configuration that you'd like to come up with. Now just over here to the right-hand side, you're gonna have the first set of 4 loungers. You've got the couch and then the relaxation space, once again, just in front of the master bedroom. And as we continue along to the other side, you're gonna see that you also have a huge outdoor dining space. Just in front of the dining room there, you've got 4 more loungers, and then you can imagine having an incredible meal from that room service menu right here, looking out at the ocean. So now I'm gonna head through the palm trees, and I can't even explain to you the feeling that you get in addition to the incredible view. You got the sound of the waves and your own private 1,200 square foot infinity edge pool. The entire area is just for you, and look at that. I mean, an unbelievable view out to the ocean. In addition to that, there's a pad that goes right there for a day bed in the middle of the pool. You've got more loungers over to the side so you can take advantage of the sun exposure or hide away in the shade if you'd prefer that. And then just up top, you have a beautiful pergola with another great sitting space. And once again, in addition to having a butler and full butler service for this particular suite, you're also going to have a pool concierge. So just on the other side there is the main pool area. You have some private cabanas there, but this is your own massive private cabana. So the pool concierge will bring you drinks, towels, and any of those things that you may need to refresh throughout the day. One thing that's so awesome about this particular space is even though it's this stunning in the day, it's also incredible at night. You've got all the lights that pop up in the pool and just the perfect place to unwind at the end of a beautiful beach day. So when you're ready to book this palatial suite or any suite at the LeBlanc, Los Cabos, or Cancun spa resorts, reach out to Harr Travel. We have been your luxury all-inclusive specialist for nearly 40 years now. We cannot wait to create the vacation of a lifetime for you, your friends, your family, your wedding party at an incredible value.